In a small village surrounded by lush forests, there lived a boy named Ravi. From a young age, Ravi was different. He dreamed big. While others in the village were content with their simple lives, Ravi often spoke of building something extraordinary, something that would make his village known far and wide. But Ravi's dreams were met with ridicule. The villagers laughed at him, calling him foolish and naïve. "Stay in your place," they'd say. "Dreams like yours don't come true for people like us." Even his closest friends doubted him, and their words began to weigh heavily on his heart. One day, Ravi sought refuge in the nearby forest, a place he often went to think. As he sat beneath a tall bamboo tree, the village elder, a wise and kind man named Kiran, approached him. Kiran had seen the spark in Ravi's eyes and understood his struggles. "Why are you so troubled, Ravi?" Kiran asked. Ravi sighed. "No one believes in me. They say my dreams are too big, that I'll never succeed." "Maybe they're right." Kiran smiled gently and pointed to the bamboo tree above them. "Do you know the story of the bamboo?" Ravi shook his head, and Kiran began. "When a bamboo seed is planted, it doesn't sprout for years. People think it's dead, that it will never grow. But what they don't see is what's happening underground. The bamboo is growing deep, strong roots to support the towering height it will one day achieve. And when it finally breaks through the surface, it grows faster and taller than anyone could have imagined." Kiran looked at Ravi. "You are like the bamboo, Ravi. The doubt and discouragement you face are the soil and storms trying to keep you down. But if you stay patient and strong, your roots will grow deep, and when the time is right, you will rise taller than anyone thought possible." Ravi was inspired. He returned to the village with a new determination. He worked tirelessly on his dream, ignoring the jeers and doubts of others. When they told him he couldn't, he reminded himself of the bamboo, growing stronger beneath the surface. His first few attempts failed, and the villagers mocked him even more. But Ravi didn't let their words define him. He learned from his mistakes, improved his skills, and kept going. Years passed, and one day, Ravi unveiled his masterpiece, a water system he had designed to bring clean water from the nearby hills to the village. The same people who had mocked him now stood in awe. His invention transformed the lives of everyone in the village, making their work easier and their lives better. Suddenly, Ravi was no longer the boy with foolish dreams. He was a hero, admired for his vision and perseverance. When asked how he achieved what seemed impossible, Ravi smiled and said, "I grew like the bamboo. I faced the doubts, the storms, and the weight of discouragement, but I let them make me stronger. When the time was right, I rose." This story is a reminder that other people's discouragements don't define your potential, your belief in yourself does. Like the bamboo, you may not see immediate results, but with patience, persistence, and strong roots, you can grow taller than anyone expects. Stand tall, believe in yourself, and remember, the strongest roots grow in silence. So, if this story resonated with you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.